In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook using the best methods available. This process will enable you to streamline your tasks and emails, making workflow management a seamless experience. So let's get right into it. First, we'll begin by heading over to clickup.com, the all-encompassing app for work management. If you haven't already logged into your account, now would be the time to click on Log In at the top right corner of the page. ClickUp provides an option to sign in with Google, which can simplify the process if you already have a Google account linked. Once you click on that option, you'll need to choose your Google account from the list that appears or add one if it's not displayed. After successfully logging in, locate your profile icon at the top left of the ClickUp interface. Clicking on your profile enables you to access various options. This is where we begin our journey into connecting ClickUp with other apps. Hover over the Apps option, which should be visible after clicking your profile. This action will reveal additional options, including the App Center. Select the App Center to display a search bar where you can type Outlook. This search will filter through available integrations to show you the Outlook email integration that we're interested in. Once found, click on Outlook Email to open the configuration settings. The next step is to click on Configure, which will guide you towards setting up the integration. With the configuration page open, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add New. Select this option to initiate the process of linking your Outlook account with ClickUp. Integration requires access to your Microsoft account, so proceed by clicking Sign In with Microsoft. Upon selecting this option, you'll be redirected to Microsoft's login page. Here, enter your Microsoft email and password to sign in. This step is crucial as it authorizes ClickUp to connect with your Outlook email account. After successful authentication, ClickUp will handle the synchronization automatically, ensuring your emails and tasks are always in sync. And there you have it. You've now integrated ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook, enabling a more cohesive and efficient work environment. As you navigate your projects and communications, this setup will save you time and keep everything organized in one place. Remember, this process can significantly enhance productivity by bringing together your task management and email correspondence within the ClickUp platform. Thanks for joining me today in learning how to optimize your workflow by integrating ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks on enhancing your tech toolkit. Until next time, happy organizing.